This video is a Key Stage 4 introduction to more advanced circuit components. So by the end of this we should be able to correctly draw the circuit symbols for the diode, light emitting diode, light dependent resistor, variable resistor and thermistor. We should also be able to state the purpose of each of these components. So a diode. This is a device which allows electricity to flow only one way through it. If you try to apply a potential difference in the wrong direction, no current will flow. A light emitting diode has a similar purpose to a diode, however it also emits light. It does this with a greater efficiency than old-fashioned light bulbs, and so now is commonly used in houses as an energy-saving light bulb. A light-dependent resistor is a resistor which changes its resistance depending on the intensity of light. If a bright light is shone on a light-dependent resistor, the resistance goes down. That means the current through it will increase. Whereas in a dark room, the resistance of the light-dependent resistor will be high and a very small current will flow through it. A variable resistor is a resistor which you can change the resistance of. There are two versions shown on screen. On the left we have one which you can just turn the dial and that changes the resistance through the resistor, and on the right we have a rheostat. This particular resistor changes resistance by sliding a metal connector along a large metal bar. These are used so that you can change the resistance in a circuit and thereby change the current flowing through that circuit. Finally, a thermistor. A thermistor comes from the word thermal and the word resistor. It is a resistor which changes resistance due to temperature. In this particular course, we will be looking at the NTC thermistor. That is negative temperature coefficient. That means this particular thermistor increases resistance the colder it gets and decreases resistance the hotter it gets. This is the opposite of a regular conductor. A regular conductor will increase resistance the hotter it is. In this case, this device decreases resistance as its temperature increases. These are commonly used in thermostats, any device that requires the regulation of temperature.